Namaste and welcome to second video. In this video, we will be talking about those two lines which give you the confirmation that you are pregnant. That medical device which gave you the confirmation, it had two lines. Now just think of it, dear wonderful mother or caring father. Just think of it. That device would have had something else. It would have had a smiley on it. It would have had one tick mark. It would have had thumbs up. Why do they have two lines? Has anybody thought of it? I have interpreted in my own way. Just listen to it. Once you become pregnant, two lines will appear on that medical device. What does those two lines signify? Those two lines say, pause. Dear lady, you're pregnant now. You have to pause. Pause and start thinking on how to have healthy brain during pregnancy. Having healthy brain is very, very, very important during pregnancy. Because if you are having healthy brain, only then your brain produces positive hormones which are very, very essential for your journey in pregnancy towards motherhood. If your brain produces more positive hormones, it is good for your child in the womb also. So, as a pregnant mother, you should understand what you should be doing to keep your brain healthy. First thing. Second, you have to pause and start thinking on how to have a healthy body during pregnancy. Having healthy body is also equally important because if your body is not healthy, child will not be able to continue its journey with you for the next 9 months. Let me give you an example and make you understand why keeping your body healthy is very important during pregnancy. Say for example, you go to your friend's home, okay? And friend's home में साफ सफाई करके कम से कम 1 महीना हुआ है, झाड़ू मार के 15 दिन हुआ है, पोछा मार के 1-2 महीना हुआ है. Do you feel like being there? No, isn't it? You come out as quickly as possible. You will give one or the other reason and you will come out. Why? Because the place is not conducive for you. You don't feel like being in that place. Same thing is going to happen with your baby if your body is not healthy. So dear wonderful mother or caring father, you have to understand during pregnancy, how do I keep my body healthy? Second thing. And third, very important thing which most of them neglect, how to have a healthy mind during pregnancy. Having healthy mind is also equally important. If you don't have healthy mind, your brain produces different types of hormones which are going to hamper your child's life after the birth. So, during pregnancy, you have to pause and start thinking on how to have healthy brain, how to have healthy body, and how to have healthy mind. Dear wonderful mother or caring father, I am conducting a masterclass this Sunday morning at sharp 11 o'clock. Please attend the masterclass and know how you too can make your pregnancy by making your brain, body, and mind healthy. Wishing you a healthy pregnancy and safe delivery. Namaste.